Guys, please do remind me if I forgot to record the session, okay? Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to configure this as a delivery controller along with all the core components of Citrix. So for the same, I have mounted the Citrix virtual apps and desktop ISO media here. And let me make it full screen now. Open the file explorer, this PC, and you will see this installation media here, which is from Citrix. Simply right click, install or run a program. Click yes. So in Citrix, two options are there to create the delivery controller to publish applications and application and desktop both. So as you guys are learning, so we will go with the second option. Why? Because we have to learn both the things like how to publish application and desktop both, not say only the applications. Okay. So I'm going with the second option. Click on start. I okay. Mistakenly I clicked on the session recording. Let me cancel this. Do it again. Okay, so we will go with the second option. Simply click on start. And here, what you can see, all the core components are listed here in single ISO media only, right? But a requirement is to configure the delivery controller first. So click on this option. Now, as you can see, accept the license. Okay. If you want to read, you can read it. Simply click on next. Now, along with the delivery controller, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy Studio Director and license server on a single machine. Means we are going to deploy delivery controller along with Studio Director and license server. Storefront, we will create separate server for this. And why I am doing this? Because somehow we have to manage our hardware resources. But in production, you will find different servers for the different components. Okay. But in test infra, we are good to deploy the 2 or 3 services on the single server. Okay. So simply, I selected all those things. Click on next. Now, along with the core components, very important thing is your database, means the SQL. So we are going to deploy the SQL server on this machine only. But in production, you will find a separate SQL server. Okay. And I think, what is your name, buddy? I always used to forget your name. You are working on database already, na, Maruti? Hello?
Yeah, now my Citrix only working.
Sorry, what you are doing?
Cit- I am working as Citrix administrator.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot it. Someone told me like I forgot that student name was very good into the scripting part. Okay, no worries. So what we are going to do, we are going to configure the SQL server on this machine only. Okay, and along with the Windows Remote Assistant tools. So what is Windows Remote Assistant tool? With the help of Remote Assistant tool, you will be able to take a remote of any BDI, means you can shadow the session. Like when you will be using Citrix Director and you have to shadow any end user session. Like if you want to see end user screen on your machine, so you will do that with the help of this tool. Okay, and this tool, this feature is by Microsoft only. Click on next. What it is saying, the machine has the recommended minimum 5 GB of RAM. Less than 5 GB of RAM. How is it? At the time of installation, I have given 5 GB, right? We can check. Yeah, it's 5 GB only, 5120. Okay, no worries. Simply, whenever you will get such kind of pop-up, simply click on I understand, and after the installation, you can increase the memory. Okay. Now, very very important for your interview perspective, like the port numbers. For delivery controller, port number 80, 89, 443 is important. For director, 80 and 443. For license server, 27,000 is very very important. Okay. And I will share all those port number with you guys. You just have to keep, okay, it is very very simple to understand. Just try to listen to me. When it comes to the director, okay, how we access the director? Over the web browser, right? So when we are accessing any URL over the web browser, we have only two options available, HTTP or HTTPS, right? For HTTP, port number is 80, and for HTTPS, port number is 443. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, yes, Mahesh.
Okay, so do not try to, remember and kind of, that Rattu Tota kind of thing. Do not try to get this done. Just try to understand. Whenever you will be accessing anything over the web browser, only two protocols are there, HTTP and HTTPS, nothing else, okay? And for delivery controller, either you can access the delivery controller over the URL or with the studio. So whenever you are using anything with console, if you are having SSL certificate, so that will be 443. If not, that will be 80. License server 27,000 and it is for the communication purpose with the virtual machine to which we have to allocate the licenses. So simply click on next. So here is a summary what we have selected. Like the installation directive will be C program files, prerequisites you can see, like it will install the visual, then SQL server, then IIS services, then remote assistant tools. Then after prerequisite installation, it will install the core components like delivery controller, studio, and license server director. Into the features section, it will install the remote assistant tools, and this firewall port numbers will be opened during the installation. And if you are not managing the firewall in your infra, in that case, you have to ask your network team to open those port numbers. Okay, you can give the port numbers to your network team and you can ask them to open the port numbers into the firewall if you are using any physical firewall. Okay, simply click on install. So that installation will take some time. Yeah, hi Mayur, you are joined.
Yes, sir, I've joined.
So how things are going on for you?
Good, sir. But things are there only where it was.
No, you only told me like you have deployed your this one, that delivery controller, right?
Yes, yes, that I've deployed.
So what we are going to do after the delivery controller, we are going to install a few more components so you can turn on your PC or laptop, whatever you have with you, right? And you can
Okay.
follow parallelly, right? If you have any doubt,
Yes, yes.
because then
No,
after
no
we have
problem.
to move to PBS and cloud as well for you, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
before PBS and cloud, I want you to ready with your infra. So I just generally sent you that invite to you. It will be good for your revision perspective, okay?
No problem, sir. Yes,
And also
I'm
if
there.
you have any doubt, you can ask anytime, no issue in that part, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Just turn on all of your virtual machines. And guys, that installation, it will take a while. Why? Because we are installing multiple things on a single server. So that is a common thing. So right now it is saying only 16 minutes is remaining, but as per my personal experience, it will take more than 30 minutes. In between, guys, if you have anything, any question, any doubt in your mind, you can ask. I do not want that session to be boring because I used to upload the recordings on YouTube as well sometimes.
Yeah, Mahesh, yeah, Maruti here. So I need to install my lab now or afterwards after this class?
No, first I have to set up the entire stuff for you guys, okay?
Okay.
Then only you can destroy the entire stuff and you can recreate it, okay?
Okay.
Because I do not want you guys to follow me step by step. Means I will share you the videos. You can refer to the videos, and for me it's only 2 or 3 days task to enter set up the entire lab for you guys. Okay.
Okay. Once this complete, then we can do it.
Yeah, then only you can use, because if you use the same lab and you perform something, right, and I do not want to waste the time in troubleshooting, right?
Okay.
So first I will do, then you will follow. Okay.
Okay.
What about for me, lab access?
Lab access will be given to you, but scenario will be the same for you as well. Okay. I need only 2 days.
Okay.
Okay. And if you guys are available today only, I can finish the entire stuff before 4 p.m.
Okay, today only complete, Mahesh.
Okay. So what we will do after like after somewhere around 1:30 or 2 o'clock now, we will go for the lunch break. Okay. Then we will start. Okay.
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 So today you are on holiday, Sushma, or what?
No holiday.
You told me na you used to work in UK
Yeah,
shift.
2 to 11 only. Yeah, 2 to 11 only shift.
Mhm.
But still, anyhow, working from home only, no, I'll manage today.
Okay.
Mm.
Mayur,
Yes, sir.
so we are going to complete this today only in step by step. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So you can follow. I
Yes, sir.
want you
Yes.
to be ready with your MCS infra. Then we will move to the PBS one. Okay. Or cloud one, because
Yes.
cloud one is very
Yes.
very important.
Yes, sir. I'll share my screen while this is going on. Can I?
Yes, yes, you can share.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this is my new laptop, and on which I am
Wait, wait,
deploying the
wait.
hardware. Like, yeah.
Wait. That installation will take time. So let me stop my screen. Let me allow you to share. Yeah, share now. Okay.
This is the Citrix. I mean, this is the domain controller.
Wait. Show me the hardware configuration of this laptop.
One sec.
Open the task manager.
The screen is
Performance.
visible, right?
Yes. 32 GB. CPU is fine. SSD is fine. Perfect. Okay. So now do not make an habit to perform the things in VMware Workstation Pro. Okay. So close this. Close this. Now delete that your DDC one. Delete it.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Delete it. Right click.
Oh, this is my domain controller. But
This is your domain controller.
hi.
Not
The
required.
name
Delete it.
Windows.
Delete it. I want you to be there with the practical things only. Delete this. Or wait. Either you can delete it. You need one domain controller as well, na? And okay, power it on. Do not delete it because you do not have any dedicated that one bare metal hyper over there, right? Power it on and power on your DDC as well. Because now in production you will never find that VMware workstation. Okay, this is for your learning purpose only. Okay, please do not make habit of this. So why what I want from your side, like I want you to configure only that Citrix hypervisor in VMware And after that, you can connect to the Citrix hypervisor with Gen Center, and you have to deploy a domain controller DDC, each and everything in that hypervisor only. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
So that is the practice that I want from your side. So that is the only thing what I'm telling you to delete. But it will be time consuming, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So what you have done so far? Mayur, log into this DDC, log into this.
Yes, yes. One sec.
No, 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 no. Okay, you have not joined this machine into domain.
No, sir. DDC, I'm not joining to domain yet.
So what you was doing, man? You just install an operating system, right? And you are
I
telling me
only
you have
three
done with
automation
the
only.
DDC.
No, I have not installed that. Actually, what is happening, Mahesh? See,
Mm-hmm.
this is my PC, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here that CD drive comes, na CD drive where we right click and see VAD when we installed. That is not coming for the software. This is a new PC,
Uh-huh.
so there is nothing.
Okay, means you have not created any partition earlier. Is it
No,
something
no,
like
this
that?
is the new partition. One TB part, only one hard disk was there. So I
Uh-huh.
created only two 500 500,
Okay, so
and
you
this.
can D drive to create your virtual machines.
Yeah, I've allotted this machine for my Citrix only.
Mm-hmm.
This drive actually 500 GB.
Okay.
Now, all the software I've already brought it over here. Provisioning also I've downloaded. Virtual app, hypervisor.
Mm-hmm. Go to your DDC, mount the ISO. Okay, first join the DDC into the domain. Okay. And first install that VMware tools. Yeah, install the VMware tools.
See, this is what the error was. That's what.
What is error? Close this.
Where
Array, close this.
D is your.
Close this.
Okay.
Open the file explorer in DDC. In DDC, a man in virtual machine. Yeah. Now click on this PC. Click on this PC. Right click on that D drive. Yes. Install or run. Things are very, very simple. Actually, not that much complicated. Now simply click next, next, next. Do not reboot the machine after the installation. Okay. Into the taskbar. Into the taskbar. Yes. Next, next, next. Yeah. Do not restart when it prompt. Okay. Click no. Yes. Now go to the server manager. Click on the local machine, local server, and change the computer name. Join the machine into domain. Then you can restart it. Click on change. Yeah. Change the host name. Anna, change the computer name. DDC or delivery controller, whatever you want to give. Yeah, type your domain. Mm-hmm. Check the spelling.
The spelling is correct, Mahesh.
Hmm.
I think I have to provide range for this PC. Range. That IP
No, no,
range is there. No?
not range. Log into your like Active Directory server.
Of DDC.
No, no, AD server, your domain controller. Log in over there. Open the command prompt. Type ipconfig. Config.
Sorry.
So 15.126 you given, right?
Yes.
Now go to that one DDC and check the IP here. Do not close that. Yeah, type ipconfig. Hmm. 15.129. What is the IP for that one?
128.
128 they given.
Just try to ping 129 from here. From here only. Try to ping 129. Hit enter. Perfect. Huh. Huh. Okay, so we have to check the networking here. Okay, let me check my installation status first. Then,
Yes.
okay, installation is still going on. Okay, let's do some R&D. Okay, what you are doing?
Again, something came up. Like I
Mm-hmm.
just doing it again.
Okay, I got it. Do one thing. On the
Mhm.
same screen, press Control C. Control C. Type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Double click on that Ethernet 0. Properties. IPv4. Perfect. Why you have not given any static IP to the domain controller? Wait. Okay. On VMware side, click on the edit part on your left hand side top. So this is a basic networking, guys. Wait. On your left hand top, no. On your left hand top, you are getting file edit option over there, na? Yeah, click on it. Click on VMware network editor. Yeah, virtual network editor. Okay, now click on the change settings. Yes. Click yes when prompted. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Click on the VMnet 1. Yes. Now uncheck that box. Use local DHCP service to distribute the IP address. Yes. Now into the subnet IP replace 188 by 10. Make it 10. Now wait. Click on apply. Now click on VMnet 8, the third one. Okay. Now no. Do not uncheck. No. Here not. Now replace 15 by 20. So your second network adapter will deliver the DHCP address to provide the internet to your virtual machines. Click apply.
Mahesh, 1 second, I have a doubt here.
Yes.
You change that subnet IP, right? The 15 to 20. Then how will come to know it will be 20 like that?
No, actually, this is the core networking like CCNA if you ever heard about, right? So I
Hmm.
cannot explain you right away, like, how I am getting the things, right? Because
Hmm.
it will means for the same now we have to start with 0. So I'm just correcting the network configuration what he has done earlier. Okay, those configuration was wrong. So I know it.
Okay.
If you want to learn, I will create like schedule a separate sessions for that thing, because networking is a different part. Okay,
Hmm.
click
Okay.
OK. Okay, now cancel this window. Okay, now you have to keep all of your virtual machine on the same network, right? So right click on Windows Server VM on your left hand side. Go to the settings. Go to the network adapter. Make it host only. Apply. Click OK. Okay, do the same thing for all the virtual machine like DDC and Citrix hypervisor. What I have done, I have allowed internet access on your that net one, and on host only there will be no internet access given to any of your virtual machine. So in that way, with the host only network adapter, your virtual machine will communicate internally. Like what I did, I simply created the local area network here. No, go to the Citrix hypervisor as well. Do the same thing.
No, it is still under installation.
No, not an issue. Right click and change.
Okay.
Okay, it is already host only. Okay. Now go to your Windows Server again. Okay, now double click on IPv4. Okay. Now use the following IP address. Now change the IP address like 192. dot 168 dot 10 dot 100. 100, or you can give any IP address, but 100 will be easy to remember for the servers, like 100, 101, 102. Press tab key, subnet will be default, that's it. In the gateway, enter 10.2. And in the preferred DNS, enter the same IP 10.100, because a domain controller is a DNS server. Make it 10.2, delete everything. Sorry, 10.100, not 2. Okay, click OK. Click OK again. Disable, enable the network adapter, Ethernet 0. Disable it and enable it. So what we have done, we have manually changed the things, right? Now go to the server manager. Go to the server manager. Click on the tools. Click on the tools. Cancel this. Cancel this. I just have to cross verify one thing. Click on the DNS. Click on the DNS. Yeah. Maximize this. Double click on DC. Right click. Click on the forward lookup zones. No. From your left hand side, expand this. Yeah. Click on the forward, expand the forward lookup zone. And expand this, forward lookup zone, expand. Yes. Now click on apptar.com. So what is the record here for DC 10.100? Okay, it's updated, and dc.apptar.com, it is also updated. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so in this session only 3 minutes is remaining. So okay, Mayur, let me know one thing. Have you configured DSCP scope as well or not?
Yeah, DHCP scope I've configured already.
Just show me quickly. Okay guys, this call may be terminated in next 3 minutes. I will share new invite to you within 5 minutes after this call. Okay, just show me quickly. Not on manage, click on the tools, click on the DSCP, expand, maximize the window, maximize it. Yeah, your DSCP scope is unauthorized. Right click on dc.apptar.com, right click on dc.apptar.com, click on authorize. Yes. Refresh the window. Expand IPv4. Okay, now it is authorized. Just slide it to right, that vertical tab. Yeah, slide it to right. Yes. No scope you configured, right? Quickly do it. Right click on IPv4. New scope. Next. Make it anything. Citrix test or whatever. Give it your name. Any name you can give. Click on next. Starting IP will be 50 and ending will be 99. Enter the first. 192.168.10.50. So that DHCP scope will deliver the IP range from 50 to 99. Okay, so we are configuring like to deliver the IP address to 50 machines only.
52?
99. 99. Click on next. Or you can extend the range as per the requirement. Click on next. 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 Gateway 10.2. Enter quickly. Click on add. Click on add. Wait. Back. Click on add. Yeah. Click on next. That is fine. DNS is fine. Perfect. Click on next. 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 Perfect. Finish it. Okay. Now quickly go to the network adapter. Enable disable. No. Man, go to the network adapter. Ethernet 0. Yeah. Right click, disable and enable. Now quickly go to DDC, disable and enable. And